Hello viewers, welcome to IT System Admin and Information Technology Learning Tutorial channel for you. Today in this tutorial I am going to show you how to turn on Bluetooth on Windows 10 computer. Sometimes it becomes very important for you, so don't forget to watch full video. To turn on Bluetooth on Windows 10 computer, click on Start menu, click on Settings. Now click on Devices. Click on Bluetooth and other devices on upper left corner. And now look, Bluetooth is turned off right now. Just click here to turn it on. Now Bluetooth is turned on. Now you can connect to your another devices. Just connecting to my Android phone. Now Bluetooth is turned on in my Windows 10 computer. This is all for today. Hope this tutorial is helpful for you. Keep watching for next tutorial. Thank you very much.